Hi class, welcome to the week of September 21st through September 25th. This week here we have seniors who will be in session in lab face-to-face with their lab instructors and in academics on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And juniors, you will be doing or completing all your work online. Again, I'm just going to take you through some of the activities that we're doing this week. Again, I really want to point out this weekly outline. If you're watching this video, you found this here. When you click on that link, what you're going to find is this picture here of this nice fox and bunny. In a minute, you'll have that link up there. Always good to have a nice inspirational quote. So this week, it's "Do what you can with what you have and where you are" by Teddy Roosevelt. Some message from us. Again, seniors are in the building, juniors are online. We really enjoyed seeing the juniors last week. There was a lot of positive interactions taking place. It was great to see juniors smiling and having a great time. Seniors, we are excited to see you back. It's going to be a good time for you in lab, and I think it's going to be good to see you in your academic courses. But the content for this week, let's get to that. It's very similar. We're still going to be focusing on carrying capacity and reproductive potential. Let's get to the assignments. For juniors, you have similar assignments to what the seniors had last week. You're going to have two things of notes, the Ed Puzzle Notes Part 1 and Part 2. Those can be found in the modules section. In fact, I'll add here in Module 8. For both of these here, we're going to find all of this in Module 8. And, so hopefully we're getting used to going to these different areas. We're getting used to finding these items in these places. I know part of the feedback that we had teachers and students is that the juniors and seniors doing a great job of accessing Canvas. Seniors, you're going to have a discussion post that you need to do. It's going to be about carrying capacity. We'll get to that in a minute. So, but first of all, juniors, when you click on, we'll find this here. You're going to go to the modules section. And when you get there, you'll see your bell ringer will be available. And then you will see Module 8. These two sections here are myself going through the notes, talking about reproductive potential, talking about carrying capacity, which is something you guys had a little bit of a preview on if you completed the discussion post last week. Then we have a simulation here. A carrying capacity, Ed Puzzle simulation. I'll go ahead and click on that one. Unfortunately, in the test setting, it won't let me look at it. This assignment is a simulation very similar to when I walked through the greenhouse gases simulation, where there's a computer simulation going on in the background. There's some things taking place, and I'm asking you guys to make predictions. Please do the Part 1, the Part 2 notes, and then the carrying capacity assignment. And when you're done, please take the quiz. Now, the quiz is worth 24 points. And again, you will have multiple opportunities to take the quiz. Notice right now it says unlimited. That'll be changed. It will say 5. When you are done taking the quiz, if you don't like your score, right in this section where it says take a quiz, there will be an opportunity to retake the quiz. Please retake the quiz and score the best that you can. For seniors, so juniors, those are your 4 assignments. Please make sure you're pacing yourself out throughout the week to get those assignments done. For seniors, when you log on, you're going to go into the discussion board section. Now, right now, the junior one is available, but there will be something that will say senior class discussion about carrying capacity. There will be this video that you're expected to watch. It's approximately 4 or 5 minutes long. And then you're going to answer 3 questions, and again, reply to 2 peers. Here are your 3 questions. What is carrying capacity? We have a question about if you were humans on a tropical island, what would be the greatest impact for you as far as limiting factors to the population, and then something about exponentially growing populations. Please make sure you're answering those questions. Also, please make sure in your replies, when you are replying to another person, you need to acknowledge who you are replying to. Notice it says up here, you should begin your reply by acknowledging the person you are replying to. So if for example, if I'm replying to somebody named Billy, I would respond, "Hi, Billy," or "Hello, Billy. Yes, I think that's a wonderful idea," and then keep going with my response. Anyway, let's go back to the weekly outline. We've covered the junior section here. Juniors, I will make sure, let's make this point, you are logging in and completing a daily bell ringer. Seniors, you will not have a daily bell ringer for this week. That's our overview. Good luck.